thunderstorms out across the eastern terrain of New Mexico. That's all because it's being directed around a flow of high pressure currently centered across the state of Texas right now. You can see the airflow from the south to the southwest, off to the northeast, and right under it, Lubbock and most of the Lone Star State, keeping all that monsoonal moisture off to our west and to the southwest, and then some heat advisories across portions of Kansas and Oklahoma where they've been dealing with the very hot temperatures. Luckily across the South Plains we've been spared, but we're talking those upper 90s for the high temperatures today, but right now we're down to 88 here in Lubbock. Still some of those low to mid 90s across the south and southwest, with Seminole and Lamesa currently checking in at 94 degrees. Some lower 90s off to the north. You find at Tulia at 90, Dimmitt also reporting 90 degrees right now. Lower 90s off here in the Caprock as well, so those temperatures sadly coming down with the sunset out there, but those heat indices as well. Currently at 88 here in Lubbock, 94 down in Lamesa and Seminole. So not too bad as far as the humidity and the heat go, but we're talking high and dry, sunny and hot conditions to continue for the next 7 days or so. The ridge is in dominance across our region, but it's weak enough just off to our northwest for some of those northwestern counties, and parts of eastern New Mexico could see some of those scattered, isolated showers and thunderstorms. So, but bottom line across majority of us is just to stay hydrated and keep that sunscreen on tap. But as we take a live look at the Bob Mills sky cam looking off to our southwest and seeing the sun beginning to set across the region, it's a pretty quiet evening as well, setting up for us across the South Plains. Now, as we look at your future cast for the rest of this evening, you can see just a few high clouds off to our northwest around 8 o'clock or so, but as we speed this up into the overnight hours, clear skies will dominate our weather, and then we're looking at clear skies to start out with your day on Wednesday, but then by Wednesday afternoon, you notice those pop-up showers and thunderstorms, all thanks to the monsoon across New Mexico that may affect our far western counties and right along the state line during your Wednesday afternoon. But as you notice, those quickly go away with the daytime heating or so. By early Thursday morning, we're looking at mainly clear skies across the South Plains. Thursday afternoon, once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms across the northwestern South Plains into eastern New Mexico. Also further up into the Panhandle, but we're still sitting high and dry across the South Plains. Just a few scattered clouds out there by late Thursday evening into early Friday morning. Rainfall amounts heading into the early parts of next week due to a cold front moving into the area. Around 0.21 of an inch by early Tuesday morning here in Lubbock. Higher amounts you see across the northern South Plains to the Texas Panhandle and back into New Mexico or so. But this is very early in the forecast and something that we will have to keep watch for over the coming days or so. But those high temperatures tomorrow, again with the lots of sunshine out there, upper 90s expected from Lubbock at 97 degrees. Points east could see those triple-digit heat from Post to Spur over to Paducah. 100 to 101 degrees expected out there, not out of the question, and some lower mid to upper 90s across the northwest as well. So remember, stay hydrated, wear the sunscreen, grab those hats if you can, and find a place to stay cool. But for tonight here in the metro, we'll see a low temperature of 71 degrees, clear and mild conditions out there, south-southeast winds 6 to 12 miles an hour for your Wednesday. Once again, very toasty. Get those morning errands, morning jog done during the early part of the day, because by the afternoon we're talking upper 90s, 97 degrees here in the metro, 5% chance of rain, very slim across our far western, northwestern counties. Winds from the southwest shifting to the south, 7 to 14 miles an hour. Your extended forecast now, Wednesday once again very hot, 97 degrees, isolated chances of a shower or thunderstorm in our northwestern counties, 96 by your Thursday or so, 95 for Friday, isolated chances of storms with those monsoonal type moisture off in our northwestern counties. Drying out into the weekend, 96, 97 for Sunday, and those mid-90s, upper 90s continue all the way into early next week. But then we watch that front by Monday night to early Tuesday morning for the chance of at least a 10% chance of rain right now, but we may bump that up or so in the coming days, but still a little too early to tell there. Those overnight lows into the low to mid 70s.